This is Larry Kaplan from the Channel Club in Monmouth Beach, New Jersey. This is our 2019 Scout 355 LXF. This is powered by triple 300 Mercury outboards. And this boat comes with the custom accented boot stripe. This boat has the Grigio cushion package. In the bow, we have seating with a table that goes up from the floor to create a nice seating and eating area. As we start looking aft, very well designed and very comfortable lounge forward of the center console. In the forward edge of the lounge is a deep storage area. You can store dive ladder as well as your electric cords, as well as any other large items. As you walk around the port side, please note the wide side decks. Grab handles always close at hand, going towards the cockpit. On the starboard side is also location. You could store lines, boat poles, gaffs. This boat is equipped with triple Garmin G-Map flat screen touchscreen displays, trim tabs, air conditioning, Mercury electric throttle and shift, joystick piloting by Mercury, graphite steering wheel, and then your 3 engine start-stop buttons. Up top, you have your VHF Garmin radio, dedicated switching, as well as controls for your SeaKeeper. This is a SeaKeeper 3 on board. As we come around to the port side, this boat does have a port side swing-in dive door. Aft-facing seating with the SeaKeeper built in underneath. Scout is known for their very clean bilge access and ease of access. And also built into the transom is your live well, as well as your transom folding in seat. As we make our way along the port side, let's take a peek in to see our accommodating cabin below. You've got an electric freshwater head, sink, convertible sleeping area or dinette. In addition, you have your 3 ignitions keys, your main fusion stereo, as well as access and storage. This boat does also have a electric fiberglass cockpit sunshade, 12-volt air conditioning, additional set of rod and cup holders, and Fender Pros. Thank you for coming and spending some time with me today on the beautiful 2019 Scout 355 LXF. If you'd like the information about this boat or any of our other beautiful boats, you can reach me at 732-874-7196. Thank you.